Wow, this is our last video of high school.
I know, crazy, right?
We need to
Make this perfect.
Hola clase, welcome to our presentation on perfect tenses. We're going to go over the 6 remaining tenses on this chart today.
Psych! We all do into a false sense of security. You thought we were going to do a PowerPoint? Psh! Alright now, first we have one important question we have to answer.
What is perfect? Well, according to the Merriam-Webster's dictionary, perfect means to be without fault or defect. But in Latin, perfect, or perfectum, means to be complete. In Spanish, a Latin language, we use the perfect tense to talk about actions that have already been completed. This means the perfect is like a leapfrog tense, where we could be talking about the past, or the future's past, even if it hasn't happened yet.
Next, we need to talk about the most important verb in perfect tenses. Aber is a verb which means to have, more specifically to indicate the existence of something. If you have completed an action, that it existed, and you would use aber to describe it.
The last important part of the perfect tense is the past participle, which you've already heard about in 2 other Spanish videos, so we aren't going to tell you about it.
Forming the perfect tenses is very easy. First, you take aber and you conjugate it to whatever form you're currently talking in. Then, you add the past participle of the completed verb.
So, when you're talking about someone in any tense, and an action they've already completed, conjugate aber to the tense you're in, and then add the past participle. Then, you're perfect.
The hard part about the perfect tense is figuring out in what situations to use each one. So, to help, we've compiled a set of memorable examples for your enjoyment.
Well, you're home late. ¿Dónde has estado? Where have you been?
Oh, I'm so sorry, my love. Yo he estado en reuniones todo día en el trabajo. I guess they ran late. I forgot to call you.
Oh, is that? What is this? Is that lipstick? ¿Qué has hecho? Who is she?
No, my love, you don't understand. It's nothing. It's
Save
not
your
anything.
excuses. Yo sé que no he sido una mujer perfecto, pero I never thought that you could.
¿Te he mentido alguna vez? Listen to me. You don't really think.
I don't know what to think. Maybe it'd be best if you just left.
Left? I just got here. And where do you want me to go?
Away.
Nos hemos recuperado de lo peor. We will be...
Nosotros no hemos hecho nada. To us.
Fine. I'll leave.
Come on, bats. You'll never catch me.
Not so fast, Joker. Espero que te hayas preparado. You won't get away this time.
Oh, not so fast, Batbrain. Solo puedes atraparme después de que hayas terminado de desactivar esta bomba. La bomba.
You trickster, Joker. No puedo creer te hayas hecho esto.
Oh, but I did, Batman. Será mejor que hayas empezado.
very, very peculiar. Isn't it, Watson?
It is, Holmes. I simply cannot fathom it. Do you think we'll be able to figure it out?
Well, of course, Watson. Stay cagadas.
Really? Dime que había pasado para llegar a esto.
Well, it's quite simple. This wine, it's been drinking from. Lo habían bebido antes de morir. What can we tell from this, Watson?
No habían terminado de comer antes de morir. Interesting.
Precisely. Which means alguien había envenenado este vino.
These next two tenses, the subjunctive pluperfect and the conditional perfect, are a little bit special.
They are often used to make if and but sentences. So, if you are doing an action in the future after a condition had been met, consider using this format.
For this section, the subjunctive pluperfect will be highlighted in yellow and the conditional perfect will be highlighted in green.
Hello. Te habría llamado, pero no pensé que me hubieras abierto la puerta.
I almost didn't.
Si me hubieras dejado explicarme, no tendríamos que hacerlo.
Si no hubiera salido con esa mujer, no tendríamos que hacerlo.
Listen, I know I made some mistakes, maybe. Si hubiera descubierto lo que tenía antes, lo habríamos evitado, but...
I don't want to hear it. Without all of this, nunca hubiera descubierto lo que quiero. By letting me down, you've set me free.
Free? From me?
You should take your stuff and go.
But I love you, and si hubiera sabido lo que esto causaría, nunca lo habría hecho. Don't you have anything to say? Fine. I'll leave then. For what it's worth, I'll never forget you.
Me either.
Excuse me, sir, do you happen to know what year it is?
2024?
Oh, 2024. Good year, or rather, abrasido. Anyway, do you know what month it is? May. Anyways, have you seen any weird doodads around?
Weird doodads like that?
Oh, no, this is just or rather, yes. Have you seen anything?
Nothing as weird as you, mate. Why do you ask?
Well, I've been tracking this thing called a chrono droid. Y si no lo parado, toda la Tierra habrá sido destruida la próxima semana.
How could you possibly know that?
Oh, well, you see, I'm a time traveler.
A time traveler? How's
Yes,
that?
and I better get going now. Si no soy rápido, ya habrán empezado, then the world would be lost.
We hope you enjoyed our show.
Remember, when you're talking about an action finished before a point,
Conjugate the verb haber.
and add the past participle.
And that ends our Perfect Tenses Spanish review video.
And all of our Spanish review videos.
And IB Spanish as a whole.
Good luck on your IB exams.
Goodbye,
Bye,
Spanish class.